minutes. And so basically, before we start, I can say today's topic is about keyword research and on-page SEO. It's an interesting topic actually. We guys can discuss a lot about that, but for class purpose and for timing purpose, I have kept it short so that we can learn more in short period. So yeah, should we start now? Are you guys ready? Hello? Should we start now? Hello. Okay. Still coming in. Here is that. Is my screen visible to you all? Is my screen visible to you all, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's fine. Now let's start. So yeah. So coming to keyword research and on-page SEO, first we need to know the first part is keyword research of this class. So what is keyword research? Keyword research is defined as the activity of analyzing and finding a list of valuable keywords for the purpose of SEO copywriting. The keywords or search term often become a guide for the direction of your content and marketing strategy. For example, let's say a few of you are working in some internship here and there. So let's say if you are working in an internship with eduMENTES. So what do you think? Which type of company eduMENTES is? Hello? What do you think? Which type of a company eduMENTES is? Can I hear you guys? Hello? I wish to know like which type of company eduMENTES is according to you. I'm still unable to hear you guys. Okay, fine. So let me explain. So eduMENTES is a company related to education niche. So we know when we are talking about education niche, so we have to have focus on keywords which are related to us. We cannot just randomly go and put some medicine name in our blogging website and so that this is regarding eduMENTES, and those keywords will not help us reach our target customers. So next thing is a keyword can consist of a single word, but more often than not, it's made out of several words. For example, search terms is a keyword and as is best keyword research tool. So like for example, you can say vacation home is a keyword and vacation home for rent is another keyword. So they are two different keywords. So keywords are not usually short words. They can be long tail. So then next thing is that why is keyword research important? Finding high volume searches terms itself is not enough. Like you find a search like let's say cricket. Cricket, if you can find, you can type cricket in Google, you will get a lot of things. And you think if it is your keyword and you are a new website, then actually you cannot rank in Google for that. So we can do like this, Odisha cricket. Then the search volume might be little bit lower, but the competition is also lower. So finding the right keywords, which has like right strength, like high strength or low strength or medium. So first, when you are doing a new website or working on a new company which doesn't have a stronghold in web technologies and website history, then you should go for a low strength keyword. I will give you an example after this. You need to ensure that the SEO keywords used in your content matches with your brand product or services to the keywords that your customer use. For example, you want to target a mobile customer, and you are working in a mobile company, you cannot brand your company by using the keyword computers or any other appliances, because your target customers are mobile customers. You cannot just go and write a random article or random copyright about a PC or other appliances, like let's say grinder. So once you have performed adequate and thorough research, only then will you be able to craft a viable SEO strategy. With a good strategy, you can create a detailed plan of actions to achieve your goals. So yeah, this is what you that makes a difference for you guys. So let's come to an example. So this tool is known as keywordtool.io, and this is a free tool, so you guys can start off with this. For me, I use hrefs, and then hrefs. So same thing. Let's search for vacation home, keyword explorer. Are you guys able to see my screen? So we are
Yes,
searching
sir.
in Google. It gives. Yeah. Now in hrefs, I am searching in Google. You guys, if you want to look at other search engines, you can see. So basically, Google is our first target, and I expect that most of you, if you're looking for digital marketing companies, you need a strong hold in Google. So let's see, vacation home. It's showing United States, but my target is India. So I come to India. So it's fetching the data. Meanwhile, there is another tool I also use. That's KW Finder. So it's saying it's super hard. Super hard means being a new website or being a website which doesn't have a strong hold, I have a less chance of converting this. And the search volume is not that high, but okay, as I'm a vacation home company, I need these people here. And CPC, okay, if you are making a blog and you are expecting to add that Google advertisement stuff in your blog, then CPC will matter to you. CPC is good actually, not that bad, consider it's India. So I don't think I can do this. So I will go for all keyword ideas related to this. So it's searching for the other keyword ideas. Meanwhile, let me also search in KW Finder. Search by keyword. Vacation. Okay, reload the page. I got a problem here. So this is a group by tool where I get all these tools. Where's KW Finder? Here is it. And we also need some scope later on. And this keyword.io. In India for online search. But it is giving some relatable keyword in all keywords idea again. So rent house, okay, renting house is like when someone is coming for vacation, they will always rent house, and I am finding that keyword difficulty is just 5. It might be easier for me to rank here, but yeah, when volume is good, 7.9k. CPC is also near about good, it's fine. So if you are if you are working in a company which works in a vacation home, then you can use this keyword as a base point to start your SEO strategy, so that later on you can go and rank on vacation home. So when I do this, I will not look at the CPC because the company will not look at Google AdSense. But if you are doing a blog writing, like you are writing for yourself or you are writing for some writing agency, they will be looking for this CPC one. And for them even, CPC is really good. And it's telling the parent topic is flat on rent in Mumbai. So like for the areas flat on rent in Bhubaneswar and all that, you can use those keywords and rank. So let's see here if it is working somewhere. But like these are many options you can say. Okay, it's not working. Sorry. So like these are many options you can say. Mostly, I believe in href, so I always keep myself updated with hrefs. So let me search for India here. And this is your free tool, the one you can use. All the free tools has its own limitations, but the time I was starting, I remember we didn't have the tools. We used to manually check from Google things by Google and everything. So yeah, this is the one I took the photo. Vacation home, 657 unique word related to this. The search volume according to it is 33,100. Like it is searching the whole world's search volume. Trend is like Google Trends. Google Trends ensures you that if this topic is in trend, like for now, Corona is in trend. So you can say that's trending topic. So CPC is good because I think it is telling the CPC of USA. So if it is 2 in USA, I think you will get 0.2 in India. And the competition it's showing is medium in US. So it's fine. It's perfectly fine. For India, it's saying these are the relatable words, but as we don't have the premium access here, so you can just find these relatable words and try to search in them in Google and see which are the websites ranked on it, so that you can see that okay, not that famous websites are there. So yeah, you can work. So that's your starting strategy. Or else you can buy group by tools, which cost you around like 600 to 1000 a month depending upon the tools they give. So this was the first example we used in this class. So next, these relatable keywords. This shows vacation home rentals, rent a vacation home, vacation home to rent, vacation homes for rent. Like you are twisting a little bit here and there and creating your own long tail keywords. So that's how you do. So sometimes let me also Google search it once. Vacation home. So this is the stuff they are showing. And here these things gives you an idea like on which keywords you can actually rank. It is showing me vacation home, irs, vacation home rentals. These are the relatable keywords you will get when you search in Google manually. So this was the thing I used to do before. So now steps of keyword research. First step is study your niche. So like I said, eduMENTES, when you're talking about eduMENTES, which niche it comes in? It comes in education. So someone, if you are working for, let's say, CIPLA, if you're working for CIPLA, it comes on medicine. If you work for my company, that's Micro, it comes under cosmetics. So they are different. They are different. The niche can be different. So first you need to know the niche. And sometimes it becomes micro. Micro means like, okay, education might be the niche, but it's not for every students. It's just for digital marketing students. So digital marketing education becomes your first priority, not the broader education. Then that comes under define your goals, like what you want from this. Okay, I want visitors to my websites from this, and I just want a Google AdSense clicks. So that's different thing. And no, I am a company. I want students to get converted. So that defines your goals actually. So you have to create a funnel for that goals. So every funnel to be successful has to be defined by its own goals. Make a list of relevant topics. To make a list of relevant topics, you can just Google related to your keyword. Like let's say electronics now, because we have done a lot of action homes. So best budget, okay, let's say budget phones, and we will get the topics. So the websites that are ranking cheap phones 2020, the best budget phones ranked, best budget phones in India. So these are the topic names. Actually, you can actually copy the topic names. Okay, you should not copy the articles, because if you copy the articles, Google penalizes you, but you can actually copy the topics and get it done by you. And sometimes if you think like you have hrefs, then I will go to Content Explorer. So actually, when you use the tools, you know that they make your life easy, so they are worth the money actually usually. So budget phones, which makes me see the topic. Okay, even how many words you write, that makes a sense, because some of your competitor, they might write more words and more good articles, they get. So when I explore the contents, I get the things like, okay, it was published on this date. These are the these many words. See, it is also saying first published on this. So you have to keep updating your articles so that Google loves, because Google loves anything that's get updated every time. They think that you care for the your visitors. So this is the best this one for May 2020. 142 organic traffic, $398 is the value of this, not this whole blog, just this article in that blog. So with time, when you make the things work, it becomes really easy for you. So the best budget phones you can currently buy, it's no longer enough for. Then we have the words. They are telling how many words our competitors are using. So I saw that this competitor is using 1373 words. This is 1301, and rest are less. So okay, so I have to write an article. I will prefer, if I am there to write an article regarding this, I prefer hard work. So generally I will prefer like 2000 to 2500 words of article. I will write them, then I will create some backlinks. But okay, backlinks is another story. So now create a list of seed keywords. Seed keywords are your focus keywords. So here I cannot make my focus keyword budget mobile, because I know TechRadar is there in the competition and my website is new. So what I will do is I will go for budget phones, keyword research explorer. Budget phones. I'm searching in India. You can, if you live anywhere, if you want any other traffic, you can search for them. So it's still hard, not that hard, but yeah, it's still hard. One search volume 0.10 GPC. Okay, so I will go for all keyword ideas. There are also different things like phrase matches, have symptoms. So I got something like best budget phones under 10,000. Okay, that's great. I got something like it is 8. CPC is not that great, but it's fine, because once we rank for this, we can rank for best budget phone also. We'll start ranking for that. So for my new article of my initial SEO campaign, I will make this my seed keyword, my focus keyword, and the other articles will focus on this. Like I will write best phones under 10,000. Then what I will do is like I will name, let's say, 10 to 20 phones under that. So what I will do next is write different articles which gives reviews about those phones and internally link them to this article. So that becomes an on-page SEO, which we will discuss later. So use good keyword research tools. Yeah, you should use good keyword research tools. I will suggest Ahrefs, KW Finder, SEMrush, and the keyword tool.io. But as keyword tool.io is a free one, so it doesn't gives you a lot of scope. So I would really suggest, like, if you are working for another company and something, you can tell them to have a group buy and use these tools, and that will actually increase your potentials. Then study the search intent. So what is the search intent now? Search intent is this: are you targeting the customer just to check your review, or are you targeting the customer to buy your product? So so know the search intent. So you will say that, okay, I want to have customers get converted. So the content should be like that, that they come and then try to buy from you. Then identifying long tail keywords, like phone is the main keyword, obviously. Our mobile is the main keyword, but what we do long tail is best budget phone. Then we make it best budget phone under 10,000. So the longer the tail keyword usually, the lesser the competitions usually. Find out about your competitors. Okay, that's great. So let's say we have a competitor. So what we need to do is like we need to know about them. Like we can know what keywords they are using and everything. So what I will do is like let's say I am in Tech Radar level and Tech Radar is my competitor. Mm, it's slow. Are you guys able to hear me by the way? TechRadar.com. If you have any doubts, I can repeat the things. So yeah, sorry. Repeat the things so you can easy. So I got every details of Tech here, and I see they are increasing little bit by level. So it's saying that they don't have organic traffic. It means they are following paid traffic method. Oh, they have not indexed. So let's find from someone else. Gozillo.com. This is another technology site website. I don't believe maybe HF is having a problem today, but I don't believe that TechRadar doesn't have any keywords till now because that's hard. Yeah, there is an error today in stuff. So what I do is like I go for organic keywords. Yeah, href is down today, I guess. So Site Explorer is not exactly working, but what you can do is like when you know about your competitor, you can just go for organic keywords. You will get the keywords they are using. Just make an Excel file and bring them. Then you can also see their backlinks profile. And that will give you an idea from which sites they are taking the backlinks. So they have an harvard.edu links, apkwin.com. So they're having quite a lot backlinks. So you can just search from where they are taking the backlinks and see if you can take the backlinks from that same level of company. So talking about backlinks, we will talk about that later. So this was step 8 to find about the competitors. So that basically you know the keywords. So using the tool. So using the tool, as I was showing you the tools, you saw that how to use the tool. See, in even keyword tool.io, you can see Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, App Store, Instagram there. So as I said, Google food delivery, it is showing global and English, and it is showing the search volumes in keywords, everything. So next thing is this, you can also search in YouTube because if your company is making a video and you want to rank your YouTube stuff, like let's say you want to, you have a collaboration with Ayushmann Khurrana and he sang a song for you, and you want that when people type Ayushmann Khurrana, your song should come first. That's when the YouTube ranking comes to play. Bing is similar to Google, but Amazon like if your company is selling products in Amazon, and you want to be ranked in the name of the product, then you need to see the competition uh, of that niche, so that you can understand how much you need them, and how much backlinks and how much which keywords you need to rank your products, and later on you can change your keyword to the main keyword and get it ranked. So that's how you use the tools effectively. Amazon and eBay are similar. I think even App Store, Instagram is different. So next step is analyzing the competitor. So the thing I was telling, analyzing the competitor. So for this, I came to jpost.com. When you search jpost.com and you find that there are this many keywords for which they are ranked, and their average trend is going down, but still they have a good search volume. So you know that they have a good CPC also, and competition is very high for the keywords. So you will see the keywords in which they are ranked less, or the keyword which are easier for you to rank, and you rank in them, and later stages you go for the high competition keyword. That helps you understand actually, when you check on your competitors, it helps you understand actually what you can do better to cross them. But usually I will suggest you not to copy their stuffs, because if you copy their stuffs, you become second them, and they will still be ahead of you most of the time. So this was all about keyword research, and we will go move on to on-page SEO after this. But I wish if you guys have any doubts or you didn't understand something, I will explain you guys. So any doubts, guys? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me. Tell me. Any doubts? If you are saying that you understood everything, then that's fine. That's great.
No, no, sir. I can understand.
Okay, tell me. Yeah, I'm here to explain you.
Sir, please
Abhishek?
explain again. Sir, please explain it again. I can understand.
Yeah, okay. So let me explain you again. So did you understand what is keyword?
Uh,
Okay, let me explain what is keyword. Keyword is something like, let's say, you guys are all student, all have different names, but the total makes you a Srushti Academy or something else, the schools you read. But what is your keyword is student. Your keyword is student. So keywords are sometimes these things that helps you recognize that what you need, what your products is going to sell, or what your product is related about. Those are keywords.
sir, sir, it refers
So
to a
when you
particular
are
class.
what?
Keyword refers to a particular class.
Yeah, you can say that it's a particular class, but it's exactly not particular class, but it's something that helps you understand that okay, this is the product. People understand, like when I say that you guys are student, so they expect that okay, these guys are the ones who go to schools, they write the exams, might be staying in hostel, they might be staying outside, they might be going to tuitions. So these are the things we understand when I say that you are student, right?
Okay.
So for keyword research, keyword is that similar thing for SEO. So now what we do is like basically just for students, we use the tools. Just like for students, we have attendance registers. Your college must be having an attendance register, or there's stuffs which makes ERPs nowadays ERPs which makes your life easy. Similarly, we have tools like Hrefs, like KW Finder, like SamScoop. See, this is SamScoop, which I was opening Vacation Home. It is giving about keyword difficulty. It is giving the keyword ideas. So you need to search about those keywords to know about them actually. So because sometimes you cannot rank for Virat Kohli. You write Kohli and you cannot rank him. So, but sometimes I have a chance of ranking, let's say, Devasis Mohanty, and both are related to cricket. And if I write an article and I rank Devasis Mohanty, later stage I can try to rank Virat Kohli. So they are relatable keywords. I hope you understood, Vivek.
Yes, sir. Sir, what is the need of keyword research?
Yeah, what is the need of keyword research? Abhishek, let's say that you are working in a company, let's say a Sipla, okay?
Yes, sir.
And they are telling that okay, let's say supply is not that huge till now, let's imagine, and they are telling you that let's do this, Abhishek. As you are a digital marketer, we want you to rank our website so that we gain customers, so that customers knows us, okay? So what you will do is like you will search for the keywords in which you should rank in Google. You cannot rank Sipla in the name of IS coaching center. You cannot, right? Hello, Abhishek, are you understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got you.
Yeah, yes. So that's how it is. Like you need to find a keyword so that you can rank them on their basics. So now I will go for on-page SEO, and Abhishek, I will have a one-on-one session with you. You can WhatsApp me or call me. Okay,
Okay, sir.
I will explain in details. Yeah. What is on-page SEO? On-page SEO is also known as on-site SEO. Is the practice of optimizing web page content for search engines and users. Common on-page SEO practices includes optimizing title tags, contents, internal links, and URLs. This is different from off-page SEO, which are usually the backlinks. Okay, I will talk about on-page SEO less because the on future chapters are dealing with on-page SEO mostly. So what makes on-page SEO great? User experience, bounce rate and dwell time, search intent, page loading speed, and click-through rate. So I think these are the questions for you guys. When you get the PPT, you can uh, start understanding it, and I will help you. And thank you. Have a look at at this PPT after the class and understand keyword research part in a better way. I will be waiting to clear your doubts for sure. I'm expecting a lot of doubts, and if I don't get them, I will be little disappointed. Remember, no doubts are small or big. I will be very happy to solve your problems. If you get your doubts clear, you will be ready for the industry in the best possible way and begin your career. This last point I can ensure you, because if you understand the things and if you clear your doubts, it will be great. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you,
See you
sir.
tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.